Hello all and welcome again from AMT Specialist Cars. Hope you're all doing well. A compact SUV, let me get my teeth in, compact SUV sat in front of you today. This is a Cosmos Black, so it's metallic paint finish, GLA200d Sport. So it's 2.2 auto diesel. And what a nice little car it is. So with it being the Sport, you do get a few little bells and whistles as standard, including an easy pack tailgate. So that tailgate will go up and down just the flick of a switch. Got the 5 twin spoke design alloy wheels. And as it's the Sport, you actually get the full Artico leather interior. Now Artico is actually an artificial man-made leather. This is a 2016 model, so it's coming up to 6 years old. And it's got 77,084 miles on. So about average, well, it's bang on average, but it's been very well looked after. I've got a reversing camera as well. We've even got, although it's a Sport, which didn't come with mats from new, we've actually got AMG mats in there as well. So they'll be staying as well for the next owner. Privacy glass from the back. You can see the chrome roof rails. What a nice little car this really is. For any further information, please contact the sales team. And we all look forward to speaking to you soon. Thank you again for watching.